largest, and most exciting new water ride here at the Orlando Water Park, Avalanche. Avalanche is currently the largest mountain in the world, beating out Mount Everest by a single foot. Like Everest, several brave men and women have died on Avalanche due to frostbite, hypothermia, falls, altitude sickness, and a lack of oxygen. We would like to keep the number of visitor deaths down, so if you experience any of the following symptoms, please report them to a park employee. Immediate sensation of the skin, loose skin, redness of the skin, waxy skin, poor circulation, blistering, dizziness, nausea, trouble speaking, confusion, lack of coordination, fatigue, headache, fast heart rate, or headaches. To maintain the safety of you and all future attendees, please ride in the sitting position, feet first. Only one person at a time may ride, and you may begin once the green light comes on. At the end of the slide, remain seated until the waters are still to exit. Thank you for riding.